Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's episode, I will show you how to use the Proraso Travel Shave Kit right here. Comes in this sturdy little cardboard box that you could use for storage. You could leave everything in here if you want to and carry it around just like this, or drop it into your DOP case. Let's open it up and have a look. It comes with a small container of pre-shave, a glass jar, a small tube of shaving cream, a very small, minuscule little brush to lather it up. It's a cute little guy. And last but not least, Proraso Aftershave Balm. And these are all the green line, which is the menthol and eucalyptus. So I'll perform a shave with these today, showing you how to use each one. And the razor I'll use, one of my all-time faves, the Kit-Muhle R89 Twist. It's a two-piece razor. I'm just going to disassemble it real quick so you can have a look. I have it loaded with an Astra blade, right there. As I said, two-piece, easy to load. Just spin the little dial at the bottom and it opens up and closes. Nice and easy. It's a little bit heftier than the standard R89, and I find it performs very well and gives me a great shave. But let's find out. Okay, I'm going to warm up my face first. First up, pre-shave. Little jar, remove the cap. Scoop a bit out in your fingers, like so. Massage that together. Then directly to the beard. And I've got 1 or 2 day beard growth right here. Just massage that in. Tingles. Smells great. This green line, it's a great wake-up call in the morning. Just massage that right into all the areas you'll shave. Let that stay. Rinse your fingers. Now we'll go with the shaving cream. All the while, this is tingling all around your face. I'm going to use my Shave Nation bowl to lather this up. Warm it up under the hot water. And we'll squirt just a bit down into that lather spot. That much right there. Meaning you could probably get 5, 6, 7 shaves out of this little tube. Maybe more, who knows. Let's take this little Proraso brush under the hot water. Let's see if it will work in this bowl. You could also put the shaving cream right on the brush and then lather up, or put it on your face and then lather up. Face lather. But I want to see if this brush will generate lather in this bowl. I want to see if it'll work. Just put it down in there. Press the tips down into the lather spot at the bottom. And the brush, when you press down, it splays out a bit, so that's good that such a small brush will be able to generate some lather because it splays out and gets a bit thicker. Look at that, we've already got some lather right there. Not bad. Let's add a little bit of water. Just a few drops of water. Keep pressing it down in the lather spot and scoop it around the brim. I think we've got enough lather for a few passes right there. Look at that. No problem. Start on the right side. Work your way across. It's a boar brush. It's a stiff boar brush. Very easy to get directly under the nose because of its smaller size. Just drive it right into the beard. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways. Temper the razor under the hot water. We'll start on the right side. Astra blade will be a very close, comfortable shave. This blade is a couple of steps below a feather. Not as aggressive as the feather blade. One side filled. But as you can see, still does the job very well. Both sides filled, rinse that. Left side. Flip it. Both sides filled, rinse that. Mustache. Piece of cake, no problem. Slight rinse of the face. Let's relather real quick. Still plenty of lather for a pass. A couple more passes. Nice handy little brush. Doesn't take up much room and still gets the job done. Clear the runways again. All right, now we'll go across the grain. The shaving cream is nice and slick, slippery. Gives the blade a good cushion to glide across. Cleft. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse off. Across the mustache. Very good. Quick rinse. Now we'll just lather up those cheeks a little bit. And we'll go against the grain on the cheeks for that baby smooth finish. Don't scrape, but skim like this. Right there. And other side. Excellent. Rinse the face. Cold water rinse. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Excellent finish to the shave. Seal off any small nicks or weepers you may have gotten. Tighten the skin. Recap that. Set it down. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Ooh, even that feels cold. Now we'll go to our Proraso Aftershave Balm. Nice little container with a resealable cap. Pour a little bit out. It's nice and thick, so comes out slow, just like that. Massage that directly into the skin. Calms, tingles, cools the face. Excellent finish to the shave. A quick look at the R89 twist. Smooth polished chrome up on top with my fingerprints on it. Might be a little better like that. And then the underside, you can see the 2 pins protruding. It locks down the blade nice and tight. No markings on the underside. And then the handle tapers outward to a collar that says Muhle twice around the collar. And then it's got a checkered knurling, not super pronounced, just a lighter checkered knurling, but it still gives you good performance on the grip. And then the twist knob at the bottom that loosens the handle from the top cap and the safety bar. The very bottom of the handle, smooth chrome. So we just loosen it, it breaks free, you remove it. There's a look at the Astra blade that was in when I shaved. Here's a look at the top part of the safety bar. Reassemble, lock it down, ready for your next shave. And I'll put the specs up here, you can check those out as well. So that's it, that's how you use the Proraso travel kit along with the Muhle R89 twist. One of my all-time favorite razors right here. There's enough in here for 6, 7, 8, 10 shaves, pre-shave. Shaving cream, probably 5, 6, 7, 8 shaves in here as well. The Aftershave Balm, about the same, 5, 6, 7, 8 shaves, depending on how much you use. It all comes in this little storage box that you can leave in here and put in your drop kit, or you can drop the items in individually. If you want to pick this item up, just enter SN2155 in the search box, and it'll pop right up. You can see, it took me from 1 to 2 day beard growth to baby smooth cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, everything nice and smooth. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share my 400 plus videos with your friends, shaving and more. Greatly appreciated. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click under the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.